Hello and welcome back to Kit in 60 Seconds. Today I'm going to talk through the slider. The first thing we want to do is make sure it's nice and level on the table. So I'm going to unscrew these feet and just check that it's nice and stable. Then I want to attach my camera. So I'm going to unscrew this dial here and pop out the plate. I'm going to flip over my camera and I'm going to attach it. Make sure it's nice and secure. That's nice and secure. And now I'm going to pop that back in and secure it in place with that dial. Make sure that it doesn't fall out. There we go. And then I'm going to adjust these dials to make sure my camera is in the position I want. So I could have it facing this way. And I'm going to use this dial down here and I can do a nice smooth pan. Or I could have it facing this way and I can do a slow push in or a push out, and I could even do a dolly zoom by matching the pace of the zoom to pushing in or pulling out.